What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Taylor B Beauty, and this video is going to be a Aaliyah J inspired 3D spider tutorial. She posted this video about 2 days ago as her Halloween look, and I wanted to recreate it because I thought it was super creative and super cool. She said that she was inspired by the Eva Marcille season from America's Next Top Model, so I thought that that was really cool because Eva had this like giant spider on her face, but it was a real spider. I don't mess with real spiders. I guess Aaliyah doesn't either. So she decided to do this 3D makeup spider, and I wanted to recreate it as my first Halloween tutorial for my channel. If you're interested in seeing how I got this smoky eye spider look, please stay tuned. Okay, everybody, so the first thing I'm doing is filling in my brows using my full exposure palette. I have not used this palette in so freaking long. I pulled it out of the archives, okay, and I absolutely loved it. So I think I want to start using it again because my brows were super fleeky. I started cleaning them up with my go-to MAC full coverage MAC what is it called? Studio Fix Concealer. Then I set it with, did I set it? I don't think I set it. I just jumped right into a transition shade for my smoky eye with that same full exposure palette. I'm going right in with my black eyeshadow for my smoky eye, okay? I'm just placing that black right on my eyelid and fluffing it in. In Aaliyah J's video, she used a eyeliner first, like a liquid or gel eyeliner first. I didn't do that because I just didn't want to. Like, I feel like that's way too much work. You can definitely just use a eyeshadow and just build up the pigment. You don't want to look like you got punched in the eye, but you do want to look like you are fleeky with your smoky eye. I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color I want to say it's golden, but I will leave everything linked down below. For my concealer, I'm using the Smashbox full exposure Smashbox 24-hour concealer, and I am in the shade medium. I will definitely leave everything down below. Right now, I'm setting my face and carving out my cheekbones with my Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm using my Shade and Light contour kit for my contour. I want to be bronzed, okay? This is very, very glam, very extra. So I'm going all out. As you can see, it's super dark on my cheekbones, so I kind of like cleaned that up a little bit. I'm going down my cheekbones, going down my chin, getting rid of that double chin, honey, okay? By my birthday, which is in about 5 months, I want to have that double chin going, okay? I'm taking the black eyeshadow again, and I'm just drawing right underneath my lower lash line to really bring it out. For a highlight, I'm taking MAC Whisper. No, it is not Whisper of Guilt. This is MAC Oh Darling. Aaliyah J used Whisper of Guilt, and I was like, oh snaps, these two things are so similar, and I didn't see which highlight she used when I was doing this video, so I was super hyped because like we love MAC highlights, okay? Now I'm getting into the nitty gritty. I'm taking my Kat Von D tattoo liner and I'm starting to draw my spider legs, okay? As you know, spiders have 8 legs. So I'm just drawing 8 legs on my eye. I actually wanted it to be on the other eye, but I went with it after I realized that I had drawn it on the wrong eye. You really want to go with the flow of your eye, basically. I'm really upset because my eyeliner was running out. This eyeliner is kind of old, so it wasn't going on as smooth as I wanted it to. It's all about playing around with it too. So really work with, your makeup that you have. Look at your inspiration, think about it. Don't be afraid to go back. I'm definitely going to be going back and erasing some things throughout this video. I edited a little bit of it out, but I'm definitely going to be going through and fixing it up, touching it up. So right now, I've got all 8 of my legs. Or no, how many legs do I have on here? I have 8. But right here, you see me cleaning it up wiping it off, putting some foundation back, and just redrawing the leg so that it doesn't look as crazy, okay? Right there, you saw me, I erased that one leg. I'm putting my smoky eye back in, filling it back in, and I am trying to draw my 8th leg one more time. This was my first time doing any of this type of thing, so I think I did a pretty good job. I actually loved how it turned out. Right here, I'm taking a gray shadow and I'm drawing the shadow of the leg. So this is how you get it to be a lot more 3D and perfect the way you want it. When you draw them from the top of the spider leg down to the body, which is your eye, it'll make it stand out more, make like it's a lot more 3D. I really loved playing around with this type of thing. My next Halloween look will be another Aaliyah J inspired look. It's going to be the clown. So I wanted to do something spooky and then something glam. So I think spiders are pretty spooky, don't you think? My clown is going to be kind of definitely glam. I don't know how spooky it's going to be. But yeah, I'm just going in on the legs. I'm getting all my shadows in there, making sure that it's 3D enough. As you can see, I'm taking my time. I'm not rushing it. Like, this whole look probably took about an hour and a half, and I'm able to edit it down to 10 minutes. You really want to take your time, erase, go back, do all of that stuff that you want to do so that your eye looks good, you know? Like, you don't want to put out crappy work. Or if you're going to like a Halloween party, you don't want it to be crappy. So like, feel free to go back, start over the way I'm doing it. You see, I'm erasing it and I'm starting over. I'm working with what I have. I'm making it better. I'm not just rushing it, you know? You want to put your heart and your soul into your projects. So it's important to, you know, really like what you put out and feel like you are doing a good job. And I didn't want to rush this work, you know? So I'm just drawing my 8th leg on my eye. If my voice sounds a little creepy, it is because I am a little bit sick. But I wanted to get this video out for you guys. Halloween is in about a week, or it's in exactly a week. And I'm going to have this video uploaded tomorrow, which should be Thursday. Right here, I'm just going in, and because I drew the shadow on the spider, this white eyeliner serves as the highlight, kind of. So with every shadow comes a highlight. So I'll be putting a highlight on each spider leg, kind of on the front and on the back. If you see how I'm going on one inside and one outside of the leg, if you know what I'm saying. I'm just taking the NYX Esmeralda green eyeliner, and I thought that this green would give a good nice pop like Aaliyah J's did. I am just putting this in my inner waterline of my eye. Next, I'm taking Downtown Beauty NYX lip liner, which is a beautiful brown color. I love, love, love this brown for really pale nude lips because it really brings it back together and works with my skin tone. For my lipstick, I'm going to be taking, what lipstick am I taking? I'm taking MAC's Honey Love, which is one of my favorites. And it's so nude, but with this lip liner, it works so good. I feel like it's your lips, but better. Love the way that look worked on my lips. And I'm just topping it with some Brillo lip gloss. This is from the I Love Sarah E collection. All right, everybody, that is it. I hope you enjoyed my first Halloween look. It was super crazy to create this because I'm totally not that artistic. Like, me and drawing do not get along, but I thought it was pretty cool. It looks kind of 3D, looks pretty scary, I guess, but it's also super glam. I really love this lip combination too. I used, what did I use? I used Downtown Beauty NYX lip liner and MAC's Honey Love lipstick. And then on top of that, I used Dose of Colors lip gloss in Brillo from the I Love Sarah E collection. So
I don't know. I really like it. It's super natural, but like it's totally not my lip color. Maybe it's my lip color, but better. Alright everybody, if you enjoyed this look, please be sure to comment down below, share this video. Also, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.